Do you have a problem of getting watch hours of time? Then this video is actually the right video for you. Why do I say so? Because on this video, I'm going to show you how to get 4,000 watch hours of time in just 7 days with no hard work attached, which means you are not doing any work. So it's actually a secret that I discovered. Before, we have this mentality that subscribers are the most difficult part on the YouTube journey. But nowadays, anybody can have 1,000 subscribers. There are some people who just get this viral video on their channel and they hit the 1,000 subscribers. But getting to that part of having 4,000 watch hours of time is the problem. So how can you get 4,000 watch hours of time on your YouTube channel? When I say 7 days, is because 7 days is the minimum day I can give you to make 4,000 watch hours of time. So to get started, the first thing we are going to do, we are going to go to our channel, which means go to your channel, create a playlist, group all your videos in that playlist. So second thing we are going to do, we are going to create another extra Gmail. Yeah, not your business Gmail, not your YouTube Gmail, but another Gmail to use on this purpose of getting this watch hours of time. Now, the number three step you're going to do is to create 7 YouTube channels with that same Gmail. Well, these are actually the channels we are going to use for this process. So as you continue watching this video, you are going to understand what I'm trying to say. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to download our Chrome browser. If you have already downloaded your Chrome browser, then there is no problem. But if you have not yet downloaded your Chrome browser, then go ahead and download your Chrome browser, because we are going to use this Chrome browser to link all the 7 channels. Now, when you have linked all the 7 channels, use those 7 channels to search your name on YouTube. Now, when you have done that, go to the playlist, play those videos from the playlist on all the 7 channels. We are going to use the playlist to play the video because we are going to do something they call looping, so that it's going to be playing the videos on the playlist over and over and over and over. So when you have now done what you need to do, go get some coffee, go get some rest, go get some sleep, because the next morning when you come back to your channel, you are going to see watch hours of time increasing automatically on your YouTube channel. Why? Because those 7 YouTube accounts are watching your videos. Now do this over and over and over and over and over, and that is how you are going to get 4,000 watch hours of time on your YouTube channel. So hope you love this video. If you love this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any video coming from this channel. For this channel, I'm going to be showing you tips based on experience. So this is how I got 4,000 watch hours of time, and I hope you get 4,000 watch hours of time too from this video. Thank you so much. See you next time.